Yes, so my name is Rahul. I'm a co-founder of a company called Qualicia. We are a scriptless test automation platform. So we empower enterprises to accelerate the overall test automation process without writing a single line of code. So which helps them for a faster turnaround when it comes to test automation, and it makes it very easy for them to maintain, which in turn benefits them in early go live, faster releases, and much more predictable investment into test automation. It was quite challenging to run a product company, especially based out of India. While we were running behind one thing to fix, there were so many other challenges that kept popping up, and it was always a worrisome that how do we actually address those challenges. While we were trying hard and while we were talking to many who stood in front of us as a consultant, it was not helping. So we really wanted somebody who will actually put the skin in the game and work with us to build this enterprise. And that was the whole reason we really wanted a real good business coach who could help us in this journey. So business coaching is the best thing I think that happened to us. We could really look at business as a whole. We could look at all the activities, all functions holistically, and could start moving them in a systematic rhythm, which has built a lot of harmony at the management level, and it has also brought a lot of clarity of action at the organization level. So we started enjoying this overall journey more. Just by doing certain right things, I think it has increased the bandwidth phenomenally, which is helping us to plan for ahead of time. So entrepreneurs is more like a passion. It's like a gut feel which empowers them to make that decision and they get into the business. But running a business is much more than that. What I have learned hard way, running a business is truly a profession. So while you are great at certain ideas, vision or passion, I think running a business need very professional, holistic and very disciplined approach. And entrepreneur, they don't come from that background. They have not enough experience from running a business perspective. So if they really want to see a faster growth, predictable growth, and at the same time make sure that along with them everybody enjoys in the company, I think business coaching is the way to go.